We're going to discuss the attachments and the documents, Annexure B attachment to WCED 14 of 2020, which is a list of various documents. And if you can vaguely remember, that list looks something like this, the Annexure B, with various links to the grade 7 and to 9 documents. So what we are doing in this specific video, we're going to look at the content plans for grade 7 to 9, and we're going to look at the annual teaching plans for grade 7. So it applies to SMTs, selected educators, all the subjects in grade 7 to 9. This is a link to the video that we are busy talking now, and this is not a link to the document. This is rather going to open a SharePoint site with all the documents that is needed for the grade 7 to 9s. But let's just jump into Teams. You don't need to go download all of that or go through that process. Everything is in the Grabby Personnel team under COVID curriculum. And of course the files tab itself, and on the files tab you will see the revised content ATP, and if you click on that folder it will open folders, and you can click on the grade 7 to 9 folders, and if you click on the grade 7 to 9 folders, all the documents that we will discuss is right there for you to read. I already opened the documents in a PDF reader. So first of all, there are 3 documents regarding the content plan for grade 7 to 9. The first document is a document based on the home languages, and on the home languages we're doing Afrikaans as a home language. There you can see the content map for grade 7 to 9, giving all the content that you need to cover grade 7 to 9 in Afrikaans home language and all the other home languages. Of course, for first additional languages, in our case we've got English as a first additional language, and if we jump to there, it will give us a content map for that as well. Then the next document is all the other content subjects. So let's just jump in there to specifically to creative arts, and there you can see now it's a content map for all the topics and the content that needs to be covered in grade 7, 8 and 9. So it's for the whole phase. Then 2 more documents which are basically the revised teaching plans for grade 7, and in this case specifically for the languages. And for the languages, let's jump to Afrikaans, and there you can see there is the trim curriculum for term 2. There's the trim curriculum right through, ladies and gentlemen, and there's for term 3, quartal 3, and if we go down, there is term 4. So all the grade 7 ATPs in languages. For the rest of the ATPs, we've got this specific document, and this document itself, we go for argument's sake again to creative arts, and here we can see the system 1, all the weeks, what we should teach, and then for term 2, and for term 3, and for term 4. And ladies and gentlemen, I would personally read this document with another document that we discuss under S2, and that document you can find under circular attachments, if you remember correctly, and it will be the S2 document, and it will be the Annexure B for GT, and you will remember this document with the minimum core content and skills. It's just to ensure that I at least teach what I should teach, and you can remember this document had all the foundation, all the curriculum fundamentals, implications, and considerations. And I thank you for that.